Perfectly cooked elbow macaroni tossed with colorful assorted veggies, finished with a spiced up mayo-based dressing. Oh, it is perfect for picnics, warm weather, and weekend get-togethers. Wait until you try it for holiday and family celebrations. This is the absolute best macaroni salad ever. Trust us, this macaroni salad is going to get your taste buds jumping after the very first bite. We want you to do us a favor. Next time you're invited somewhere, ask this question: what can I bring? After that, all you got to do is make this salad and bring it with. It is so delicious. Let us show you how to make it. Let's get that spiced up dressing out of the way. Into a medium bowl, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon sriracha, a teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, then a pinch of cayenne, but a pinch of cayenne by me is exactly 1/4 teaspoon. Last ingredient, did I save the best for last? You bet. 1/2 cup of Weekend at the Cottage original or spicy barbecue sauce. Today I used our original version. We're going to add it into the dressing bowl and then stir everything together. Dressing goes to the side, have a big bowl standing by. We're going to be mixing the macaroni salad up in it. Now we're going to chop some fresh veggies. So I wanted to do like a classic macaroni salad, you know what I mean? All creamy and everything. And then when we thought about that spice profile, I thought, why don't we also add some crunch? Enter the vegetables. We're dicing up 1 seeded sweet red bell pepper, 2 ribs of celery, 3 green onions, and also 1 jalapeno pepper. It is seeded and finely diced. Whenever we add a fiery jalapeno pepper, remember, now's not a good time to touch your eyes, but number 2, feel free to wear a glove or get someone else to chop the pepper for you. Last fresh veggie is 2 cloves of garlic minced, plus we wanted more color and flavor. We're measuring out 2 cups of frozen vegetables. In this mix, carrots, peas, corn, beans, and edamame. Great hit of flavors and color. Let the veggies thaw out while you continue. Last step before we bring this recipe home or to our next party, let's cook the macaroni. Big pasta pot, 4 quarts of water. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. Turn the stove to high. When the water comes to a boil, we're going to add 1 pound of macaroni. That's 4 cups of macaroni for all you measurers. Let's stir and let the macaroni cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Then we strain the macaroni. We're going to rinse it under cool water. Shake, shake, shake. And I like to let it stand for a minute or so for the water to drain away. Now to that big bowl, macaroni goes in. Add the red pepper, celery, green onion, jalapeno, garlic, the thawed frozen veggies. Looks pretty good, huh? Now we drizzle the dressing. Looks even better, right? And we finally get to stir. Go right to the bottom of the bowl. Stir thoroughly. I also like to add a bit of chopped parsley at this point. It adds flavor and color. Speaking of chopped parsley, make sure you take some along with you when you deliver this delicious macaroni salad wherever you're going, because you'll be able to garnish the bowl and then you're ready to enjoy. Well, you're almost ready to enjoy. You got to make it first. Good news, full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video and tons more on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And don't forget, when you watch this video, drop us comments and give us a thumbs up if you like what you see. And then finally, when a salad is this sensational, take a picture of it, post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendatthecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. The absolute best spicy macaroni salad. Final thought, How about served next to wings? Ooh, maybe with steak. Ooh, I'll have some with ribs. I'm telling you, you name it, you're gonna love it. And I can tell you, crunchy, creamy, and super delicious, nothing like it. Enjoy. Crunchy, oh, it's so beautiful. Wow, good salad.